Ugitiri wa thiini na wanja wa bururi ni uhuritwo njeki thutha wa bururi wa Amerika kuhe Kenya ndege 16 cia haro cia kuiga thayo bururi-ini na nja wa bururi. Undu uyu kinyaneirio icera-ini ria President William RUTO bururi-ini wa Amerika kuria muthenya wa ira aranyitirwo ugeni ni murunawe wa Amerika Joe Biden ni thingira-ini wa iregi wa White House kuria maraririirio thunduri na uhuthiri wa mitambo ya kiriu.
And we're working to ensure debt doesn't leave these critical investments and crucial investments out of reach for low and middle income countries. Around the world, Kenya and America are also standing united against the terror of ISIS and Al-Shabaab perpetrate in East Africa, that they continue to perpetrate in East Africa.
We will be discussing a range of issues from peace and security in our region, recognizing the heavy lifting Kenya is doing in supporting peace and security efforts in the Horn of Africa, in the Great Lakes region.
Ndomereri kuma thingira-ini wa iregi wa Amerika yugite Kenya ningi ni kwamukira ngari 150 cia haro cigitanywo gukinya bururi-ini mweri wa kenda mwaka uyu nacio ndege cigikinya mwaka ukite.
As we begin the next decade of our partnership, we've launched a new initiative to bring our countries, companies and communities closer together, because the past is our proof that we are stronger and the world is safer when Kenya and the United States work together.
And I want to say, Mr. President, we value the support, the friendship, and the collaboration the United States has given Kenya and our region to make sure that we undertake our responsibilities in securing our region.
Niguo kumatia ndugu no nyitaniri wa mbiraru riu mbiraru cia Kenya ni rithomagira thukuru-ini wa mbiraru cia MAI-INI the nyumu na cia RIERAINI bururi-ini wa Amerika.
Kenya and the United States stand together, committed to each other, committed to our people, and committed to building a better world, one of greater opportunity, dignity, security, and liberty for all Americans, for all Kenyans. God bless our partnership, and may God bless our troops.
Ari njira ya kuhitana na itoi mabururi maya meri ni maiguanire gucenjanagia ndumiriri cia ugaceru ciegie itoi. Kenya gitanywo kuingira mubango-ini wa kimabururi wa gucenjanagia ndumiriri ici kuhotithia Kenya kwigitira na raia ake. Umuthi President RUTO na Biden ni matanyitwo kurekereria ndumiriri ya hamwe gutariria maundu mangi maria mabururi maya meri maiguithaniirie, maundu mamwe ari Kenya gutuma borithi 1,000 bururi-ini wa Haiti. Unyitaniri sekta-ini ya ugitiri Kenya ni ikiraniire NGIRIMITI na bururi wa Amerika hari waki wa barabara nene ya expressway kuma Nairobi nginyagia Mombasa. NGIRIMITI no ikiraniirwo gatagati ka ruhonge rwa waki wa barabara KENHA na ruhonge rwa kigina gia tafaira cia uthii wa NAMBERE Everstrong Capital. Barabara ino ikihuthira muigana wa ciringi bilioni 478. Kameme TV gikuhe horo gitau wa Wanjiku.